hard disk physical repair tools. What we require the tools for physical replacement. These are our sets. What is up for? This is a medium level, not high level, medium level. Now it's depend on your budget. You can do the setup. If you have a setup of low budget, then you can take up to 7,000, but it will not benefit for head replacement. Only 7,000 budget, it is not benefit for head replacement. Okay, it's glass chamber to make cell. If you want the bigger tools, medium budget, then head comb level 2, magnet removal, hard disk workbench, auto. This costs approximately 33,000. Basic glass chamber user to make. Then if you have more budget, then go to medium budget. That is a auto smart plater extractor, hard disk workbench, magnet remover, head comb level 2, LM rosewood, cleaning tool, ESD brush, air balloon. These all cost budget 40,000 rupees. Indian rupees. User to arrange additional clean room, donor drive, apex and head unstuck tool that your user have to purchase. फिर प्रोफेशनल टूल्स, वेरी एडवांस टूल्स, दैट इज एन हेड जजरी टूल्स, वैक्यूम प्लेटर रिमूवर, मैग्नेट प्लेटर, 100% क्लीन रूम चैम्बर, क्लीनिंग एंड मोर डोनर ड्राइव्स. Our user arrange the clean room chambers, donor, apex tool, head unstuck, mini microscope for inspection. This you have. This is very advanced level. This is beginner. We reference this much tool. We guide to buy this much tools. These tool sets we have already available. You can buy from us. No problem. So this is benefit, this is starter, this is advanced, like that. So these tools you can purchase. What is the ratio of recovery? Is very old model, 30 to 70, new model, depend on experience, 50. And if you have very good tools, then 60 to 90% success is very high on these advanced tools. Approximately budget 3,000, 1.5 lakh approximately, 8 lakh approximately. Per case you can take 5 to 15,000. Here more cases will be solved. Okay. So that is head comb level, and high-end tools you can buy these tools. Software no need, hardware है ना. This is only hardware tools, physical tools. वो advanced लेंगे तो don't take this much. You can take this much approximately. I have given the estimate here. 40,000 budget you can take these tools now. If a very low budget, then you can take this, but this ratio is very less. Okay. Next. So these are the older tools what we have purchased before 12 years. This is before 12 tools. At that time India only they are supplying these tools. Now China starts, so China has given more tools. This is glass chamber what we make before this tool. Before this we are using these tools. Okay, this is your clean room chamber. This is clean room tabletop. These all are tools. This is your workbench. Head remover tool older, low level, level 2, head comb, heavy and head surgery tools. Now this tool and those tool you can see the difference. This is head surgery, so it will very costly, and this is plastic. So working ratio is also good of this against this, but due to budget you can start with now this, and after the budget you can buy this, no problem. Magnet remover tools, pillar is also there. Then head unstuck tool, different models have different tools like this, head is unstuck tools. Then a spindle motor unstuck, if motor jam we want to this type of tools to unstuck the motors. Okay. Plater remover tools, older, and now new these tools are coming in the plater remover tools. Spindle motor replacement tool, and this is all hard disk remover whole sets. One set is there we have. So these all sets remove the basic work it will do. Finger tops, mouth cloth, ESD safe, finger tops and all those tools are there. Okay. What happened? First we have to open the hard disk. There is a video I will show you. There is a step by step how to open the hard disk. So remember, when the patient and donor you have to mark all those things. This is your what? Patient, and this is your donor. Patient means what? Data important, hard disk not working, head damage, PCB may be okay or not okay. But the donor, there is no data important. Working hard disk, head working, PCB okay. So here are the some service area. So when we swap PCB, at that time we have to swap the ROM. The donor PCB, donor PCB, they have this firmware. So we have to run, format, everything will work. When we buy the donor, we have to run on the computer, we have to format, we have to install the software, then it will running like a working hard disk. So we buy, then we check. If it is working, then okay. If not working, we will tell them it is not working. So when we buy the donor, we have to verify first. We have to back up the firmware also. ROM backup, service area, all backup we have to done through the MRT or PC3000 or DFL. We have to back up all the modules. Then we have to open it. We have to check ROM, everything. Okay. So this is the process, step by step. Use tools for opening hard disk. So we have to set patient and donor like this. Patient and donor like this. We mark PT. Patient and donor we will mark on it. Arrange donor by matching model, firmware, MLC, DCM, depend on the model. Put together on the stand as shown on the picture. Mark on both patient, donor on the parts, top cover, back and PCB. All mark we have to make. PCB base cover. It's better to remove PCB. We have to remove the PCB. So that this remember you, it is on your notes also. Don't open hard disk without 100% clean room, clean environment, no airflow, ceiling fan close. Wear finger tops, mouth close, head close if possible. In a clean room when you sit, you have to close all those things. First clean hard disk from all the side with the brush or vacuum cleaner, or when open the dust will fall inside the hard disk. First, before taking this hard disk in the clean room, we have to clean from all the side. Because the dust outside it will fall in the clean room. Mostly there will be 7 or 8 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one side in the top. 7 or 8 screws, 6 on the side, or 1 or 2 or 3 will be in the center. Open the first 6 side screws. Identify the center screw. You have to identify it. If it is here, we have to remove slowly sticker and we have to remove the screw from bottom. Open the screw. See, here is a screw. So below sticker it is screw. Top cover first time opening. So if it is first time opening hard disk, then it will be very tight. So we have to slowly open from here only, not from here. You have to open from this side only. Okay, from here only, not in between, because here is a rubber packing. If you put a tweezer here, then the rubber will be damaged. Okay, after opening you can see inside there is like this head contact. So first what we have to open, if you remove the head, we will first inspection the hard disk. If there is any scratch, any dust, with the clean environment, we will just check the plater. Okay, if there is any damage or something, we have to don't replace the head, because our donor hard disk will be waste. So we have to remove these head contacts and all those things. Okay, we will open these 2 screws. After removing screws, we will remove the magnet. Remove the top magnet, and then we will remove the magnet, and step by step then we will remove the plater. These are the steps. Okay, I will show them videos, and I will now go on one live practical. I will open the hard disk, then we will see how it is done. Okay, so till here my theory is there. Now sir will open one hard disk, 15 minutes, then we will see if there is any dust or there, then lunch, then we will continue. Okay.